Hey there, young scientists! Are you ready for an amazing adventure? Today, we're going to explore something super cool: the states of matter. Have you ever wondered why ice melts or how clouds form? Well, get ready to find out! Let's dive into the wonderful world of solids, liquids, and gases. My name, first up, let's talk about solids. Solids are all around us, like the chair you're sitting on or the toys in your room. They have a fixed shape and don't change unless you apply force. Imagine a big ice cube. It stays the same shape until it starts to melt. Now, let's do a fun experiment. Take a small block of wood and try to squeeze it. Does it change shape? Nope. That's because it's a solid. Next, we have liquids. Liquids are fun because they can flow and take the shape of their container. Think about water in a glass or juice in a bottle. When you pour them, they change shape to fit where you put them. Let's try another experiment. Get a cup of water and carefully pour it into a bowl. See how it changes shape? That's what liquids do. Now, onto our third state of matter, gases. Gases are tricky because we can't always see them, but they're everywhere. The air we breathe is a gas. Gases don't have a fixed shape or volume. They spread out to fill any space. Here's a cool experiment to show how gases work. Blow up a balloon and tie it off. Now, gently squeeze the balloon. Feel how the air inside moves around. That's gas in action. But wait, there's more. Matter can change from one state to another. When ice melts, it goes from a solid to a liquid. When water boils, it turns into steam, a gas. These changes are called phase transitions. Let's see this in action. Get an ice cube and put it in a small pot. Ask a grown-up to help you heat the pot on the stove. Watch as the ice melts into water, then starts to boil and turn into steam. Now, let's talk about some everyday examples of matter changing states. When you see clouds in the sky, that's water vapor, a gas, turning into tiny water droplets, a liquid. Or when you put water in the freezer to make ice cubes, that's a liquid turning into a solid. Can you think of other examples in your daily life? Here's a fun fact. There are actually two more states of matter. They're called plasma and bose-einstein condensates. Plasma is like a super hot gas. You can see it in lightning or the sun. Bose-Einstein condensates are super cold and only exist in special labs. Let's review what we've learned. Solids have a fixed shape, like a block of wood. Liquids flow and take the shape of their container, like water. Gases spread out to fill any space, like the air around us. Matter can change from one state to another through heating or cooling. Now it's your turn to be a scientist. Look around your house or outside. Can you spot examples of solids, liquids, and gases? Try to find things changing states, like ice melting or puddles drying up. Remember, science is all about observing and asking questions. So keep your eyes open and your mind curious. Wow, we've learned so much about the states of matter today. From solid blocks to flowing liquids and invisible gases, matter is everywhere. Next time you see ice melting or steam rising, you'll know exactly what's happening. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share what you learned with your friends and family. What other science topics would you like to explore? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for joining us on this exciting journey through the states of matter. Stay curious, and we'll see you in our next video.